Crypto 2-minute tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to track how much you've spent in Ethereum gas fees. First step, go to your MetaMask. Click these three dots. Click View Account on Etherscan. Click Analytics. Transaction fees. And on this page, it will tell you how much fees you've spent as a sender in Ethereum and USD, and how many fees you've used as a recipient in Ethereum and USD. You can also adjust the range of dates that it reads in order to give you your fees spent and fees used. Thanks for watching.